Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeORM. Today we are going to learn about the advanced query builder operations. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So then we have joining relations. If user has a relation with another entity, see post, we can join these entities in the query. So we can do like this. Okay, if we have the joins like user have the first of all we create the users, then we have a post, and the post is linked with the user. Here you can see the relationship. So here you can see that we have the user with id 2 or 3, and here we can see that we have a post with the user id. Okay, so there is already a relationship. So in the query builder, what we can do, we can use left join and the select. Okay, so we can use this one and we will get all the user dot post with post. Okay, so also here you can see that we have to make the relationship like this. So one to one, so here you can see that we have the posts that should be the array, and in the post we have the many to one user with user. Okay, so this is how you can get it, like user dot posts. Here you can see user dot posts, right? Join the post relationship, and here you want to just add a one more query filter, that is where condition, where the user is active, inactive, true, false, where id is this, where email is this, you can add it. Okay, so here you can see that we have a left join we have added over there. Okay, that will retrieve all the values with the help of the query builder. Okay, so this is the advanced one. Left join and select joins the post relationship to the each user and selects the fields for the post entity as well. Get many retrieves the results with the related posts included. Then we have aggregation with group by. To perform the aggregations like counting the number of users grouped is by active by the status. So you can add like this. Okay. So what we have to do, select user is active. So which one user is active? Only we have added, we have getting active one. Add select count user dot id. So currently is active is not there in my table. Here you can see that with the user one. Here you can see is active is not there. I haven't added it. So we can make the query like this. Select user is active, add select user dot id count group by user dot is active and get raw many. So whatever query it will run, user counts is active status. So how many users which have the active status, it will return that query. Okay, so this is how you can do with the aggregation with group by. Group by Group by records by a specific field. Here is active. Add select adds the field to the select list in the case of counting user.id. Get raw retrieves the raw results useful for the aggregation queries. Okay, so this is also the advanced query. You can see that it's where we have add the joins and everything. We can make more tutorials on that with the 4 or 5 tables, getting the data fetched from there. One, so something which tricky we can do later on, but make sure you have to learn that left join select how to use it, group by how to use it. Okay, so these are the main advanced queries that we can look into it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see, one thing is that missing, that here you can see, let me just log this one, disable the logging, and I already make the data currently user and the post relationships. Here you can see. So we have this left join and select. Let's check this one. So already I have just cleared this, what I have added, clear, and let's add. And here you can see there is a users with their posts. So user id, name and their posts, user id and with their posts. Okay, so this is how you can add the join like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much.